If you use Todoist to manage work, school, personal errands, and side projects, one of the most useful things you can do is create a single view of every active task you own. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see all tasks in Todoist using a simple custom filter so you can bring everything into one clean, dynamic feed. This is perfect if you want a master task list that updates automatically as you add, complete, or organize tasks across different projects. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Now let's jump in. First, open Todoist and look at the left sidebar. This is where Todoist keeps your projects, filters, labels, and other navigation options. Scroll down until you find the section called Filters and Labels. This area is important because filters let you build custom views based on rules you choose. Instead of checking each project one by one, you can make Todoist show you exactly the tasks you want in one place. Once you find filters and variables, click the plus icon next to filters to add a new filter. This tells Todoist that you want to create a custom task view. A filter is basically a saved search, so once it's set up, you can return to it anytime without rebuilding it again. Now, you need to give your filter a clear name. You can call it something like Master List, All Active Tasks, or anything that makes sense to you. Choosing a simple, obvious name will make it easier to find later, especially if you use multiple filters for different workflows. For example, you might have one filter for today's tasks, one for work tasks, and another for your full active task list. Next, click into the filter query box. This is where you type the rule that tells Todoist what to display. According to this setup, type exactly View All. This query creates a dynamic feed of every active task you own across all projects. That means when you add new tasks in the future, they'll appear here automatically as long as they match the filter. After entering the query, click Add to save the filter. Todoist will now generate your new custom view, and you'll be able to open it anytime from the Filters section. From here, you can use this list as your main task dashboard, review everything you need to do, and stay on top of all your active items without jumping between projects. This is one of the best ways to simplify task management in Todoist because it gives you a central place to see your workload at a glance. If you're someone who feels overwhelmed by multiple projects, this filter can make your planning much easier and much faster. And that's it. You've now created a single feed that shows all your active tasks in Todoist. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.